Scientific studies show that the ocean climate has had many health benefits due to its high mineral content and its air and water. But at times, these waters can also prove to be the cause of your death. Today, we are going to talk about some of the most dangerous beaches in the world. Part 2. If you haven't watched Part 1, I will link it up here. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Staithes Beach, UK. Staithes is a village in North Yorkshire, England. This stretch of coast is sometimes referred to as Dinosaur Coast because it is famous for fossil hunters. Beach is met with a huge cliff and has chances of rock sliding. This beach is dangerous because of water pollution and garbage. Farm sewage drains into the water, polluting it to unsafe levels. Swimming in these waters can cause diarrhea, E. coli, meningitis, typhoid and hepatitis A. Skitovoye Bukhta Beach, Russia. Skitovoye Bukhta Beach is known for being one of the best surf destinations in the world. But you wouldn't find people surfing here. Containers of radioactive waste, nuclear reactors, pieces of irradiated debris, and 2 entire nuclear submarines lie at the bottom of the ocean here. All nuclear submarines have sunk to the bottom of the ocean from where they are slowly leaking harmful radiation, making the waters dangerous to dive in. Manaus Beaches, Brazil. It is situated near the conflux of the Negro and Amazon rivers. Some of the Manaus beaches have white sand and blue water. However, the dangers are not within the waters but outside it. These beaches are known for its high crime rates. It is advised to carry minimal cash and carry only what is needed when visiting these beaches. It is also better to go there before it is dark as there are high chances of encountering thieves. Morecambe Bay, UK. Morecambe Bay is an estuary in northwest England. Morecambe Bay is renowned for its flat fishing of famous Morecambe shrimp. Its beach is dangerous because of its unpredictability. This beach has quicksands, fast tides, and deep waters. In 2004, 19 Chinese cockle pickers drowned when they were caught by the tide. Carts and other machinery have been known to get stuck and sink into the sand. West End Beaches, Bahamas. West End is the oldest town and westernmost settlement on the Bahamian island of Grand Bahama. Bahamas is known for its spectacular beaches. It also has the third largest barrier reef in the world. It poses a great threat to swimmers as the waters are infested with sharks. Tiger Beach on the West End is considered one of the best beaches for shark encounters. According to International Shark Attack File, the Bahamas has one of the world's largest and highest number of shark attacks. In 2014, Dr. John Petty, a tourist from Texas, disappeared while shark diving in Tiger Beach. Although his body was never recovered, it's believed a shark killed him. A tourist died in December 2023 when she was bitten by a shark while paddleboarding. Acapulco, Mexico. Acapulco, a beach resort town on Mexico's Pacific coast. Acapulco is known for its climate, luxurious hotels, excellent beaches, and deep sea fishing. More than 3 lakh visitors visit this place annually. However, over-tourism caused this beach to become polluted with lack of proper waste management. Acapulco has a reputation of being one of the most dangerous cities in Mexico due to its high escalating crime rates. There has been a significant increase in violent crimes including homicides, kidnappings, and armed robberies. Cartel wars leading to violent incidents has made Acapulco the murder capital of Mexico. Cable Beach, Australia. Cable Beach is a 22-kilometer stretch of white sand beach on the eastern Indian Ocean, Western Australia. Western Australia is home to some really deadly animals, creatures, and insects. Its list consists of poisonous snakes and red-backed spider. You would find these on land. The water, however, is swarmed with box jellyfish, blue ring octopus, stonefish, cone shells, all of which are poisonous. There are also white pointer sharks and crocodiles. There have been many fatal encounters between swimmers and box jellyfish, especially between November and March. Camelo Beach, Hawaii. Camelo Beach is a beach located on the southeast coast of the island of Hawaii. This beach, situated on a lower lava terrace, is a storm beach, which is an expanse of sand or gravel thrown up on the coast by storms. Most of the beaches on this list are dangerous because of sharks, but this beach is dangerous because of its garbage. It has also been nicknamed Trash Beach. The pileups of trash and debris are due to the constant trade winds and converging ocean currents. The accumulated garbage consists of 90% plastic waste. This has significantly affected wildlife and marine life. Cabo San Lucas Beaches, Mexico. Cabo San Lucas, a resort city on the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula, is known for its beaches. Water-based activities like scuba diving, etc., sea arches and nightlife. The beaches here are swimmable but are also dangerous due to strong winds and waves, riptides, extremely powerful currents, sea urchins and other dangerous wildlife. The Pacific waters in Cabo are notorious with rip currents and undercurrents frequently causing tragedies. The current can also be so strong in most of the beaches that even putting your feet in can be dangerous. Plague Central Lacanau, France. Lacanau is a community in southwestern France. It has some amazing beaches and surfing areas. This Atlantic coast is known for its chilly waters and strong currents. This beach consists of bains, which are these long narrow pools that form parallel to the ocean. The major problem with bains is that people often don't realize they are connected to the sea and can have strong currents that have resulted in people being pulled into the ocean.